Okay, so hi dear, what we have. Tada. Hi dear Aquarius, very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a no contact reading for all the Aquarius Sun Moon Venus rising from today till the 18th of May. Roles can be reversed also, action can be from your side also, not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? Check out the description box, you'll find the links below. And for Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self Love Course, two links are given below in the description box. So let's start. Aquarius, the person that you have no contact or no communication with their current feelings for you right now. We have the Five of Wands, the Devil, and the Star. Okay, this is your card only, Aquarius. So, like in their dark life, in their chaotic life, in their conflicted life, and in their not so happy life, or you can say toxic situation, toxic life, toxic energies around them, you are the lamp. Okay, you are the light at the end of the tunnel. So they, whenever they think about you, whenever they think about how much love you gave them or how much this situation meant to them at some point of time, they feel optimistic and positive. But inside of them there's a lot of chaos, lot of conflict, lot of toxicity, negativity that they're still holding to, but they're quite optimistic and positive that someday everything is going to be fine. Okay, someday I will be able to be like Aquarius, I will be able to heal myself, I will be able to remain optimistic and positive regarding life, and everything is going to be fine. It's not about and then it's about fine, like in their own life right now. Their life is so chaotic, maybe they're dealing with a lot of people at the same time, lot of situations in their life at the same time, and this is so chaotic, this is so conflicted kind of energy. They are under a lot of pressure. They're stuck in a very very toxic cycle, very very toxic energy, toxic environment, and they see you as the light at the end of the tunnel, and they feel optimistic and positive that someday everything is going to be fine in their individual. Something happened to the light, camera light. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Three of Pentacles, the Two of Cups, and the Three of Swords. Wow. They want to like let go of one situation and be in other situation and make it work out in a, like in a very beautiful and positive way. They want to choose the soulmate that is going to be with them, and that they are going to collaborate with and have a happily ever after kind of soulmate kind of dynamic, and let go of something that's very painful. There is a definite third party kind of energy here. The third party can be romantic, it can be work, it can be toxicity, negativity, it can be addictions, but they want to choose the right person, the right energy, so that they can move ahead with that right person or right energy, and let go of the pain, let go of the not so good energies or heartbroken energies, so that they can be happy in their life. Again, it's not about you only, Aquarius, it's about their life choices. It's about their own energies of deciding what is good for them and what is not so good for them. But they definitely want to hold on to this energy of someday I'm going to be with the right person, and everything is going to be fine. Their intention here is to remove everything that's breaking their heart or giving them any kind of pain or giving them any kind of energy of not so good kind of feelings. They want to be with the one that's meant for them, even if they have to choose between you and somebody else. But they want to choose the right person, the right kind of energy, so that they can be happy. Okay, there is a choice between you and something else or someone else, and they want to choose the right one so that they can be happy. They're not thinking about the other person or other energy here. They're thinking about I should be happy. Yeah, okay. Most of us do that only. Okay. There's nothing wrong or right. It is just what it is. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 18th of May. We have the Page of Wands, the Four of Cups, and the Five of Pentacles. In their head, they're talking to you all the time. In their head, like, okay, they're talking to you, they're like communicating with you, they're friends with you. In the 3D world, they are so upset. They are feeling left out in the cold. They're so much in the self pity kind of energy right now. There's so much in this energy of, oh my god, everything sucks. The universe keeps on testing me only. The universe keeps on giving me the worst kind of situation, worst kind of energies, worst kind of connections. So basically right now they're in the blame game and self victimization kind of energy, and they're not able to do anything about it. I'm telling you, they're so much in pressure, they're so much in and this mess right now. Not only their love life, actually every area of their life is kind of messed up right now, and they're kind of trying to figure out the way out of that pain, but not able to do that. But they talk to you mentally, they talk to you all the time. For you, the guidance here is the Page of Cups. Okay, it might be very very difficult for you to forgive this person and move ahead in your life by letting it go with love and compassion instead of blame game and hatred and whatnot. But this is right now the universe wants you to do, to forgive this person for whatever they did, because they did whatever they were conditioned to do. Okay, I'm not saying they are not at fault and they are the best person on earth. No, sometimes we have to forgive the other person. Not sometimes, all the times we have to forgive somebody for the sake of our own happiness, for the sake of our own releasing the burden, some kind of energy, not because we want to be in that energy of okay. Not because we want to be a bigger person or something, no. Or not because we want the other person to realize what they did or something like that, no. It's just because we want to be free from the blockages that we are creating by not letting go and forgiving the other person. That's very very difficult, right? But right now the universe wants you to go on that bigger person path and forgive and move ahead. Forgive and let go with love. Something is happening under my eye, I don't know what. Anyways, so thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.